Hi guys, welcome to my channel. How to download the Lenovo ThinkPad T14s driver. Open any browsers to type the Google search box to like that. Okay, and go to the first URL pcsupport.lenovo.com. Just right click to new tab. You can this is automatically come to manual driver. If you have to auto, so you can use this one Lenovo product and download. Okay, so also I am telling you you have to install the separate driver, so use the manual. Okay, and then click to camera and find out camera driver and then click to download. It is completed, just single click. After click to yes. Then click to OK. Next I accept. Next install, then next and install. Now you can see this successfully installed the camera driver. Okay, and then OK and then close.